Is it time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we will explore Advanced Micro Devices in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 11th of June 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 2nd of May 2025, our system has ranked Advanced Micro Devices as a hold accumulate, giving it a score of 0.9. Let's take a closer look at the stock's performance during this period. During this time, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 22.61% since we first recommended buying Advanced Micro Devices 28 days ago. This results in an average return of 0.81% per day, since it was categorized as hold accumulate, period. The stock currently resides in the upper segment of a very broad and robust upward trend in the short term. This situation often presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a pullback toward the lower segment of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $123.55 will signal a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 18.63% over the next 3 months, with a possible return fluctuating between negative 10.14% and positive 20.99%. In terms of the long-term outlook, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of negative 36.87%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 65.86% to negative 35.93% over the next year. In today's terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $41.36 and $77.62. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices features the headline, Advanced Micro Devices stock downgraded from strong buy candidate to hold accumulate after Wednesday trading session. The stock price of Advanced Micro Devices decreased by 1.7% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 11th of June, 2025, dropping from $123.24 to $121.14. During the last trading session, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 3.82%, ranging from a low of $119.88 to a high of $124.47. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days, with an overall rise of 7.34% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is actually a positive sign, as trading volume typically follows stock price movements. On the last day, trading volume fell by 10 million shares, with a total of 31 million shares traded for an approximate value of $3.74 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price of the stock was $187.28, while the lowest was $76.48. Currently, the price is 35.32% or $66.14 below the 52-week high and 46.70% or $106.16 below the all-time high reached on the 8th of March, 2024. When it peaked at $227.30. Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD, is in the spotlight today following key developments that are poised to significantly impact its stock price, both in the short and long term. As reported today, AMD is partnering with Cisco to invest in a groundbreaking artificial intelligence-related cloud project in Saudi Arabia. This collaboration not only signals AMD's expanding influence in international markets, but also highlights its commitment to leveraging AI technology, a critical driver for future growth. Moreover, AMD's adoption of its EPYC processors is gaining momentum within the data center market, projecting a revenue spike from $12.6 billion in 2024 to potentially over $20 billion in 2025. This impressive growth trajectory is indicative of AMD's strengthening position in the competitive landscape, particularly against rivals like NVIDIA, further enhancing investor confidence. Additionally, AMD's upcoming Advancing AI event, featuring CEO Lisa Su, promises to unveil new advancements in artificial intelligence, likely attracting both attention and enthusiasm from investors. The anticipation surrounding this event suggests a potential uptick in stock price as innovations are showcased. Overall, these developments could lead to a positive sentiment around AMD's stock, possibly driving prices higher in the coming days while positioning the company favorably in the long term as a vital player in the AI and data center sectors. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 9th of June 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned AMD an overweight rating while recommending a hold action. On Friday, the 16th of May 2025, Barclays also rated AMD as overweight with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 14th of May 2025, Citigroup rated AMD as neutral and suggested a hold action. On Wednesday, the 7th of May 2025, Wedbush provided an outperform rating for AMD while recommending a hold. Additionally, on the same day, UBS rated AMD as a buy and advised a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to the stock of Advanced Micro Devices. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also rated the stock as neutral. The following signals have been identified for Advanced Micro Devices. The Advanced Micro Devices stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two signals, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During potential corrections, support is expected at $119.13 and $108.64. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Some negative signals have also been identified, which may influence short-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, June 10, 2025, and since then, the stock has decreased by 1.7%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume has decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which diminishes overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 29 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 28 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 35 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 23 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 12 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Advanced Micro Devices. Advanced Micro Devices finds support from accumulated volume at $117.72. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. The stock typically experiences average daily movements, and with a healthy trading volume, the risk is assessed as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $4.58 between its high and low, amounting to 3.82%. In the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 3.09%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices, let's briefly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio might suggest that the stock is overvalued, or it could indicate that investors are anticipating significant growth in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 29th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 56 cents. Keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for advanced micro devices. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for advanced micro devices is at $121.73. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this might be a relevant level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, advanced micro devices faces its first support level at $117.72. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for advanced micro devices from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 20th of May, 2025, Guido Philipp conducted an insider purchase of 8,800 shares of common stock. On the 15th of May, 2025, Papermaster Mark D executed an insider purchase of 17,500 shares of common stock. On the 15th of May, 2025, Papermaster Mark D also executed an insider sale of 7,590 shares of common stock. On the 15th of May, 2025, Papermaster Mark D conducted another insider sale of 9,610 shares of common stock. On the 15th of May, 2025, Papermaster Mark D performed an additional insider sale of 300 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 11.979. In total, insiders have purchased 666,675 shares and sold 889,950 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $115.87, which represents a decrease of 4.35%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. A sell signal has been identified from a pivot top that was established 1 day ago. Is Advanced Micro Devices stock a good buy? Advanced Micro Devices presents several positive indicators. However, we do not consider these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors may want to maintain or accumulate their positions while awaiting further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our evaluation for this stock from a strong buy to a hold or accumulate recommendation since our last assessment. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, June 12th, we anticipate that Advanced Micro Devices will open higher by approximately 689 tenths of a dollar, starting at $121.83. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.